Imagine escaping the constant hustle, stepping into a world where nature's calm envelops you. Here at Solis Nature, you will find a hand-picked collection of stunning properties nestled in breathtaking settings just like this. Whether you're planning a family getaway, a peaceful remote workspace, or simply craving a moment of serenity, our carefully selected stays help you disconnect from every day and reconnect you with yourself. For property owners, join a trusted Dutch brand backed by International Tractors Limited with a global reach across 150 countries. List your property for free, enjoy low commissions, and get dedicated support. For travelers, indulge in exclusive getaways featuring spacious accommodations, premium amenities, and also a complimentary online yoga session, all at transparent prices. Your perfect escape awaits at Solis Nature. Discover it today.